You know how as you get older, your body and how you work out just doesn't feel the same anymore. Maybe when you were younger, you could push harder and just hop back in after some time off. But now it's different. You're sore in new places, you don't recover in the same way, and it's become really frustrating because you still want to make progress and feel strong, but what used to work doesn't. I know what it's like to feel stuck. Pilates has given me a way to rebuild strength and stamina without pushing too hard, and it can do the same for you. I'm Beth, a nationally certified Pilates teacher and founder of Trifecta Pilates. On this channel, you'll find Pilates classes from beginner-friendly sessions to more advanced flows. Most are 30 minutes or less, so you can stay consistent even with a busy life. And if you ever want more structure, like a plan to follow or extra support, you'll find that inside of the app. If you're ready to go even deeper, maybe you want to become a Pilates teacher, or maybe you're already a Pilates teacher and want to use a trauma-informed approach. We have programs for that too. You're in the right place to work out in a way that feels good now and supports your body long-term. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, explore what's linked below, and if you're ready to get moving, check out this beginner-friendly Pilates class.